Do you love your dad? Do you love your mom? Are you a good boy? No, you're not, are you? Are you a quiet boy? Are you naughty boy? No, you're not? Are you sure? Really? Really? Do you listen to mommy? No, you don't, huh? No, I know. I know. Oh. Naughty.
You're silly, Allie. You are silly, Bubba.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Hey. No, you're not hungry. Are you ornery? I think you are. Clap your hands. Can you clap your hands? Let me see. No, you can't clap your hands. Please. There you go. Good job. Yay, Bubba. Go, Bubba, go. Yay, Bubba.
Clap your hands.
Yay.
Clap your hands. Cut my hand.
Woo! Go, Bubba.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Cut my hands.
Oh, I want to eat your hand.
Oh no, oh no. Ah. Clap your hands. Cut my hands.
Hey, Dad, just pick me up, Dad.
Oh. Okay, come here. Oh.
Oh, I see a shiny hiney. Hi, Bubba. You're so big.
Oh my God.
You're not even little no more.
Oh my God.
No!
Ah. Look at my hiney. Look at my hiney.
There's a cute little honey with lots of dimples in it. Yeah, huh, Bubba?
Camera. Get the camera. What? Oh.
Little bouncer. Hi, Bubba. Yeah.
You hungry? You hungry?